Okay, this is just a quick video to show folks that who don't already know this how to make a paper airplane for this laboratory. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to fold the paper in half like this. Now the more carefully and more accurately you fold, certainly the better, but don't be overly obsessed with getting it perfect. Nobody's perfect, so there you go. And then you just unfold it. And now we got a nice line right down the center. Then you're going to take this corner and you're going to fold it so that the top edge of the paper falls right along that center line like this. And you do the same thing with the other side. Once again, you won't get it perfect, but do the best you can. It's really hard. I'm reaching around a tripod to do this. So now it kind of looks like a house. Now you're going to do basically the same thing, but you're going to take this corner and fold it so that this edge goes right down this middle line. Once again, this is made harder reaching around a tripod, but this way you can see it. And you just mirror it with the other side. Bumping my tripod. Okay, then you fold it back in half on the center line. Tighten up all your folds. And then you can fold it down here. And again, you just mirror it to the other side. Everything you do the same thing for both sides. It's all symmetrical. Like that. Now, there are a couple of modifications that we can make from here. So let me pause and get the things we need. Okay, so I went and I got, well, there it is. I gotta see if I can see it. Tape and scissors. So first thing, just a little piece of tape makes a big difference. And all you're going to do is hold this together. And put a piece of tape right there. Again, does not have to be perfect. Now, a couple other small things we can do that do make a difference. If we fold our wings up so we get it symmetric. Once again, you want it to be the same on both sides if you can. And make some little flaps, and you don't want to fold them up too tight, just a little bit. And the reason for this is because of airflow. The air is going to fly over and under the wing. Now what this is going to do, and we'll talk about lift, thrust, and drag in class, is it's going to put a little extra drag on it, but it's going to be on the very back. So if the plane is flying and you got a little drag on the back, that's going to push the front of the plane up. So if the back goes down, the front goes up. And that'll keep the plane's nose up so it flies maybe a little bit longer. And the other thing we can do, and this gets a little harder to get straight because you can't fold it in half to do it. If you fold these up just a little bit, like that, and you can watch this video a million times, and we gave you some extra paper so you can try a few times. And that'll just help it to fly more in a straight line. Okay, so that is basically how to make a paper airplane.